Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The next question is, what is the greatest power of 5 which can divide 80 factorial exactly? So the number of powers of 5 in 80 factorial is 80 by 5 plus 80 by 5 squared. Now we'll just take the whole number parts. So this is 16 plus 3, that is equal to 19. So option C is the correct answer. The next question is, a charity solicited P persons over the phone who agreed to an average pledge of rupees R each. Q of these people had pledged on average of rupees S. Each never sent in the pledged amount. Which of the following expressions represents the percentage of pledged money that the charity received? So the total amount supposed to be received was PR. The amount which we never got is QS. So the amount actually received is equal to PR minus QS. So the percentage of pledged money that the charity received, so the required percentage is 100 into PR minus QS by PR, that is 100 into 1 minus QS by PR. So option D. The next question is, if P and Q are the roots of the equation x squared minus bx plus c equal to 0, then what is the equation if the roots are pq plus p plus q and pq minus p minus q? So now the sum of roots for the first equation is p plus q is equal to b and pq is equal to c. Let this be equation 1 and this be equation 2. Now we need to formulate the equation for which the roots are pq plus p plus q and pq minus p minus q. So sum of roots is equal to pq plus p plus q plus pq minus p minus q, that is equal to 2pq. But from this equation we get pq is equal to c. So sum of roots is actually 2c and product of roots is equal to pq plus p plus q into pq minus p minus q, which is equal to pq squared minus p plus q whole squared. Now pq is equal to c and p plus q is equal to b. So c squared minus b squared. Therefore the required equation is x squared minus sum of roots into x. So sum of roots is 2c. So minus 2cx plus product of roots. So plus c squared minus b squared is equal to 0. That is option A.